Content titles: The Intelligent Donkey, The Jackal and the Drum, Kangaroo, The Strange Animal, A Visit to a Zoo, Know Your Home, Jumbo, The Cricketer, Healthy Vitamins, Time and Day. First one, The Intelligent Donkey. Activity 1. Is the pigeon flying? Yes, it is. It is flying. Is the girl running? No, she is not. She is dancing. Is the farmer ploughing the field? Yes, he is. He is ploughing the field. Activity 2. Activity 3 ದಲ್ಲಿ answer the following questions. Where was the donkey walking? The donkey was walking in a forest. Who was the donkey? A wolf saw the Who saw the donkey? A wolf saw the donkey. What did what did the wolf want to do? The wolf wanted to eat the donkey. Why did the donkey limp? The donkey wanted to save his life from wolf. What did the wolf ask the donkey? The wolf asked the donkey, what is the matter? Why are you limping? Sixth one, why did the wolf want to help? The wolf wanted to help donkey because if it would remove a thorn, it can easily eat it. How did the donkey save himself? The donkey kicked the wolf and ran away and saved himself. Rewrite the story in the dialogue form. Donkey, oh, what a thick forest. Wolf, wow, I got my food today. Ha ha ha. Donkey, the wolf is kill me. Going to kill me. ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Wolf, now I will jump on the donkey. Donkey, ha ha ha. There is a pain in my leg. Wolf, why? What happened? Can I help you? Donkey, yes, please. There is a thorn in my left hand leg. Wolf, let's see. I will remove that. Donkey kicked forcefully. This is the plan I did to escape from you. Wolf, ayyo, my jaws are shaking, my whole body is aching. Second one, second lesson, The Jackal and the Drum. Activity 1. Activity 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ complete the passage using the words in the box. First one, deserted battlefield, food, realized noise, desert. Activity 3, homophones. First one, weak, second one, weak, third one, here, fourth one, here. First one ಗೆ WEAK weak, WEAK weak, HERA here, HEAR here, HIGHER higher, HIRE higher. Activity 4, knife, knives, life, lives, baby, baby, city, cities, lady, ladies, leaf, leaves, class, classes, mango, mangoes, sin, sins, bench, benches. Activity 5, underline the silent letters in the following words. Activity 6, choose the appropriate word from the box and fill in the blanks using the past form of the words. The dog bit the man. The grass grew tall. Third one, cried, threw, caught, burnt, won, lost, flied, wrote, drove, tore, opened, swam. Write a few more homophones. Hair, hair, see, buy, be. Activity 7, places. Zoo, railway stations, gardens, public places, ground. ಝೂದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವು ಲಯನ್, ಟೈಗರ್ಸ್, ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್, ಆಫೀಸಸ್, ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್. ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, ಲಾನ್ಸ್. greenhouse, tree. Public places ಅಲ್ಲಿ house, hotels, buildings, hospitals, officers, tree, stone. Activity 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ some words go in pairs. Choose the correct word from the box to complete the pairs. The first one has been done for you. Bread and butter, needle and thread, pepper and salt, fruit and vegetable, cup and saucer, knives and forks, ladies and gentlemen, shoes and socks, collar and cuff, brush and comb, friends and enemies, town and country, star and moon, silver and gold, newspaper and magazines, carriage and horse, sheep and goats, questions and answer, carrots and radishes, loaves and stitches. Slices. Activity 9. Underline the words that the sentences tell you to do. Find two animals: bed, bear, cat, chair, bear, cat. Find two toys: ball, doll. Find two pieces of furniture: table, chair. Find two numbers: 4, 8. Find two colors: green, red. Kangaroo, the strange animal. For third one lesson. Activity 1. Questions. In which country are the kangaroos found in large numbers? The kangaroo are found in Australia in large number. What is special about kangaroo? The kangaroo has a pouch in which the mother kangaroo carries its baby. Third one. What does a kangaroo feed on? A kangaroo feeds on plants and grasses. Fourth. How do the hind legs and tail help a kangaroo? They help the kangaroo to leap forward. Activity 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ using the table given below, frame as many sentences as possible. These are books, these are pens, etc. ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು. Next, activity 3. Match the column A and column B and frame sentences as given in the example below. 5th September Teachers Day, 1st November Rajyotsava, Kannada Rajyotsava, 8th November Women's Day, 14th November Children's Day, 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd Sunday in May Mother's Day. Activity 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ choose the correct word from the pair and complete the sentences. Anything, nothing, ever, never, anybody, nobody. Anywhere, nowhere. Activity 5. Understand the meaning of the pairs of words given below and use them in sentences. Principal. Mr. Keshav is the principal of my school. Principal. A principal is a good ground rule. Right. I write with my right hand. Right. I write copywriting neatly. Bear. There is a bear in the forest. Bear. He cleans shoes with his bare hands. Wait. Wait for me. I will come within few minutes. Wait. My weight is 25 kilogram. Activity 6. Fill in the blanks using the appropriate word given in brackets. A cat sat on my lap. Park, say, leg, pen, lid, hot, shed, pot, moon, hat, pet. Activity 7. Remove the first and the second letter respectively from the words in the given table and form new words as shown in the example. Chairs. hairs, air. Stable, table, able, slate, late, eight, price, rise, ice, stream, dream, dream, blend, lend, end, slant, lant, ant, stone, tone, one, small, mall, all, plate, late, eight, spear, peer, ear. Fourth lesson, a visit to a zoo. Answer the following questions. On what day did they go to the zoo? On Sunday, they went to the zoo. In the zoo, they saw only animals. True or false? False. In the zoo, they saw birds also. What are the wild animals mentioned in the passage? Lions, tigers, bears, and leopards are mentioned here. Where was the hippo seen? The hippo was seen in the pond. Using the dictionary, write the place where animals dwell or live. Tiger or lion, den, cave, dog, kennel, elephant, forest, crocodiles, water, cattle, shed, bird's nest. Describe the rhinoceros seen in the zoo. Rhinoceros have a thick skin and a horn on its nose. What are reptiles? Name some reptiles. The animals which have dry and scaly skin are reptiles. Example snakes, crocodiles, lizards. Activity 2. Fill in the names of the animals with the help of the pictures. Monkey, snake, bear, rabbit, tiger, giraffe, goat, camel, lion. Activity 3. Birds, parrot, peacock, owl, sparrow, eagle, kiwi. Reptiles, crocodile, lizard, tortoise, snake, turtle. Mammals, bear, zebra, leopard, giraffe, hippopotamus,